Hello, teacher peeps. Welcome to this video that we are looking at recording effective videos. So the resource that I used for this would be this wonderful article. It gives a lot of the why behind the things that I'm going to be talking about today. So if you want information, dig into this link and it will take you to some good information. So the first thing that we need to take a look at is what we're trying to accomplish here. So each teacher will be able to utilize various techniques to produce effective learning videos. So one of the first things we need to be able to do is plan effectively. So it's a lot like planning a lesson plan. I use this storyboard to help me map out my video and how I'm going to be thinking through when I'm going to put my segments, when I'm going to put my questions, because that helps me think about how I'm going to be chopping this up. So as we take a look at an effective thing is using guiding questions. So these guiding questions will be things we'll be coming back to throughout this video. And as we come back to them, it also gives students something to think about as they're watching the video. So they are guiding questions. What makes signaling, segmenting, and weeding effective? Also, what is the maximum recording time to likely engage all students? What kinds of speech are students most likely to connect with? And where is the best place to put the video? So here we go. We're going to start with our signaling. We're going to use a change of color. We're going to use symbols. And we're going to use the change in color and symbols to highlight important content. Not only can we do that on whatever we're utilizing to record, but one of the things I like about Screencast-O-Matic is my cursor then serves as that signaling as well. So it's bringing people's attention to the important information. So signaling, but also we're going to be taking a look at weeding. So weeding is taking out all that extraneous information that is not essential for learning. So don't use things like GIFs that are going to take people's attention away from the content that's important. Don't utilize that music that's going to take people's content away from that important information. So the weeding, making sure that we remove that extraneous information. And then also segmenting, shorter videos or use in-video pauses are things to use. So make sure shorter videos and pauses within your videos to make sure that we cut them up. So, for example, this is a great example of segmenting. So pause the video and answer this question. All right, we're continually trucking on and moving into our second guiding question. Well, you know what? How long should that video be? This chart gives a wonderful representation of the lengths of time and what happens to the percentage of students that watch the video. So you can see videos that were 6 minutes or less were viewed by almost 100% of the students. Anything over 9 minutes is likely wasted effort. So keep those videos short so we can engage all of our students in that. And they will likely watch the entire thing. And then you can also notice as I'm speaking, I'm using enthusiasm. I'm speaking relatively quickly. And also use that conversational language because that's what that individuals watching this are more likely to engage with. I'm less likely to engage with the video that is calm and uses some very formal language, people. So make sure we speak with enthusiasm, speak quickly, and use that conversational language as we're going through. So here we go. Our next pause in the video, our next segment. What is the maximum recording length to engage all students? And what kind of speech are students most likely to connect with? Pause the video and answer those two questions. All right, we're off and running again. So the final piece we want to take a look at, what tools do you use to record your videos? I like to use Screencast-O-Matic. It's the one I found most simple in order to record my videos and have my face on the screen as I'm going through my content. QuickTime, you can also do that as well. I know Chris Namerman has shared out some information, and YouTube is also one of those. I would love to sit down with anyone who wants more information or to figure out any of these three tools a little bit more, and making sure that we can record those videos within your computer and then get them uploaded to YouTube so we can post them to Schoology. It sounds like a lot of steps, but in all actuality, it's something that once you get in that routine, once you have that down, it becomes pretty simple. So here we go. We're keeping our segments short, asking the last question. What is the best place to put the video? Where is the best place to put the video? All right, thank you for hitting pause and answering that question. And we're going to be wrapping things up. So each teacher will be able to utilize various techniques to produce effective learning videos. So if you think back, you know what? We're using segmenting. We're utilizing weeding. We're going to be utilizing short videos that are that are 6 minutes or less. We're going to segment those videos to break them up into small pieces. All right. We're going to use guiding questions that keep students thinking about the content that we have throughout the video. So those various techniques to record some effective videos. So finally, thank you for watching this. We're looking to engage in effective learning throughout. If you have questions, please ask, and we'll get some quality content out for our students. Have a great day.